So in which type of cases this Bonnie-Lucens therapeutic pocket book it was used? As we discussed under philosophical background of this repertory as well as under construction of this repertory, that this repertory is useful especially when we have the cases with complete symptom, then the cases with prominent sensation and modalities, as well as in the cases having prominent concomitant, when there is paucity of symptoms with scattered modality and no characteristic symptoms. We cannot find out the proper modalities, we cannot find out the characteristic symptoms, and the symptoms we found there is paucity of symptoms. Then scattered modalities and no PQRS lacking in generals. So when there is no PQRS symptom, the general symptoms are lacking in the case, and the modalities there also get scattered. In such cases also this repertory is useful. So as in Kent repertory, it is useful when we get the prominent general symptoms. In that we get the prominent mental general, physical general, and then particular symptoms also. Then we choose the Kent repertory or the repertories based on the philosophical background of deductive logic or the philosophy which goes from general to particular. So the repertories which is having that philosophy, we choose such type of repertories for the repertorization when we get the prominent mental symptoms, mental general symptoms, physical general symptoms, and particular symptoms also. In the same way, this repertory is useful when we get the complete symptom, we get location, sensation, modality, and concomitant of nearly every symptom. Then we have the prominent sensations and modalities of each symptom. We have prominent concomitants in the case. If the symptoms, they are not aggravating or not ameliorating symptoms, there is paucity of the symptoms we found, then the modalities are scattered in whole case, and we cannot get any prominent PQRS symptom, characteristic symptom in the case, and the case is lacking in generals as mental general, physical general. Then in such cases, this repertory, that is Bonnie-Lucens therapeutic pocket book, this is very much helpful as well as useful. We can select this repertory when such type of cases are there, and this repertory will give us a proper simillimum. We can able towards we can able to